Y'all, hello. This is Goddess Cecilia, and I'm very excited because I have a very special package that I've been waiting to open. I ordered this back in May. There's this lovely sticker that says, "Share the Magic, Finfolk Productions." Oh my gosh. So apparently there was a little bit of a printing error. The printers accidentally puts the wrong print on the bags. I'm totally fine with, I just need to know what I cared more about was the material that it was made of, you know, whether or not it was the same material and it was just a print error. I'm sure there are others who would have preferred the thing that was actually ordered. Oh. This is my tail bag, Finfolk Voyager Tailbag. Waterproof heavy-duty waxed canvas with vegan leather straps and nylon lining. The Voyager Tailbag fits any commercially available mermaid tail, including tails with a competitor monofin, fully unzipping all the way around for easy tail insertion and removal. Oh my gosh. I'm not mad about this misprint, I'll be honest. I'm not. I can't even believe that they managed to fit this into this box. I have a real bag to carry my tail in. There's a luggage tag. That's super cute. I don't know why I love that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. How freaking cool is this, right? It is a backpack as well, so you can strap it on and wear it as you travel places, which is muy convenient. It has this lovely area where you can put bras, the tops, whatever tops you want to wear, other accessories. It's supposed to be all black, but honestly, I'm not mad about this. Shut up, it's a fanny pack. It's a fanny pack? Oh, the V-strap. The silica packs. Don't eat these. They're not snacks. You can throw these away. I love this tag. So it's waterproof, right? The canvas and it's wax makes it really nice and waterproof. The inside is also fully lined. Oof! Oof! It unzips all the way down. I feel like I'm gonna have to do this on the floor. And then you can strap in the tail. And really, realistically, you could have potentially several tails in here. Let's pack my tail. Oh, look at how beautiful this is. I was just kind of carrying it around in a bag for a while. My amazing friends went and bought an actual garment bag for it. I did take the vinyl lining out of my tail to air out. So let's see, how does this go? I guess I should unzip the whole thing, right? I'm going to unstrap it. Then, you know what? I can actually finally have a poor vinyl lining. Don't even look at this. And then it'll actually lay flat for some time. It's definitely a good thing. It's a little sandy. Hang on, pull it back. Boom. I wonder if this will also fit the mahina. We're gonna find out. This is pretty great. Angle this way. I mean, I should try to put the mahina in here too. Because why not? And probably the other fin. Just put all the fins in here. This should make sure they're nicely strapped. And there's still room. There's still definitely room in here. Oh my god. It's amazing. I am in love. I am so excited to finally have a way to carry around my tail. I mean, this probably also means I'm gonna have to check it, but we'll see. Oh, I'm assuming this goes around the hip, the front area. This is, oh, cool. Yeah, this is supposed to be like side pockets. That's cool. And there's Velcro on the other side of this. So you could like Velcro this on. So you'd be able to have a side pocket for like keys, you know. Oh, wow. This design is amazing. I'm very happy with this purchase. So thank you, Finfolk, for being geniuses. And for the original tail bag makers. Like, holy moly. This is amazing. Bye, everyone.